Whew, okay. Remember the previous lecture, I mentioned that when the browser parses your HTML, it goes from the top to the bottom. Well, I just want to tell you why that's important. And when you start writing JavaScript, you need to think about this. Here's the body tag. Let's just say we've got a paragraph. And in the paragraph, we want to replace this text with JavaScript. So say we've got this text, but we want to replace it with JavaScript. And remember, it passes from top to bottom. So what about if we try and replace this paragraph before the browsers have even rendered the paragraph? Surely that won't work. Well, let's see. Let's put JavaScript at the top. And again, don't worry about syntax for the moment. I just want you to understand the concept of what we're trying to learn here. Let's just define, all we have to do now in JavaScript is we have to somehow identify that paragraph tag. So let's do that. Okay, we have to, this actually returns a string, so we just want to access the first element of the string, which is the element itself. And let's now go and replace the inner HTML with this. This is new text replaced by JavaScript. Should we try and run this? Well, let's give it a go. Let's see what happens. So again, let's click on Go Live. What do you expect to see? Hey, something didn't work. Because look, we want to replace this text with JavaScript, and obviously it hasn't happened. Let's inspect the console, and we've worked with the console already, and this is why it's awesome. Have a look here. When you encounter errors like this, uncaught type error. Cannot set property in a HTML of undefined. And it even tells you where in your code this has happened. If you click on that, it says this is undefined. Para. We've defined para as getting the tag name paragraph. So let's switch back to our IDE. So what's happened is the browser has encountered this tag, get elements by tag name, paragraph, and it's tried to find it, but it hasn't got there yet. So this is undefined when it happens. And how I can prove it to you is let's just move the script tag to the bottom. All we've done is we've moved the script tag below the paragraph tag. And what happens now, do you think, if I go back to the browser? This is new text replaced by JavaScript. How cool is that? I hope you understand now the importance of where you place JavaScript does matter in your HTML.